Hello world! On Entertainment Tonight News, it's a heartbreaking news. As it said, after 10 years of marriage and 14 years together, Jessica Simpson and Eric Johnson are breaking up. Eric and I have been living separately, navigating a painful situation in our marriage. Jessica shared in a statement to Entertainment Tonight. Our children comes first, and we are focusing on what is best for them. We are grateful for all the love and support that has been coming our way and appreciate privacy right now as we work through this as family, she added. The two were last photographed together during a family spring break trip to Mexico in April 2024. Most recently, they have been spotted separately without their wedding rings. This comes after a source told Entertainment Tonight in November they have been living separate lives and doing things on their own. They are different people. They have different goals. The two were married on July 5, 2014 in Montecito, California and share 3 kids together, Max 12, Ace 11, and Birdie 5. Great day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!